DJI drones and action cameras are dominating 2026. But which one is actually worth your money? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most searched mini drones in the United States. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and ideal for beginners. You get sharp video quality, smooth stabilization, and simple controls. Let's compare the Mini 5 Pro with the Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro is designed for professional creators. It offers stronger obstacle avoidance and cinematic quality footage. The Mini 5 Pro, however, delivers excellent value at a lower price. DJI Osmo Action cameras are leading the action camera market. They are waterproof, ultra-stable, and built for adventure. Perfect for YouTube, travel, and outdoor content. For the best results, correct camera settings are essential. ND filters, extra batteries, and mounting accessories make a big difference. That's why DJI accessories are trending right now. Many people are waiting for the DJI Action 6 release. New Mini 5 Pro firmware updates are also expected soon. Drone and camera technology is moving faster than ever. Which one would you choose? The Mini 5 Pro or the Mavic 4 Pro? Like, subscribe, and comment your choice below.